God! Yeah, that was maybe a little bit too much. What's up, guys? So we got the Dirty Max in the garage today. We got some weird type of boost leak / exhaust leak. Every time we build up some boost and get on it, there's a really loud screeching sound. So we're thinking that it's the up pipe gaskets, either the top or the bottom. Hopefully it's not the bellow. We don't have an aftermarket up pipe on this thing, but it is all fully deleted by SDP and everything. So what we're going to do is remove this tire. We're going to take out this inner fender well, and then we're going to soak the bolts with some PB Blaster. Apparently a lot of people are having issues with the bolts breaking off into the flanges, and we don't want that. So let's get started. We also got a little bit of help. We got Howie, the Sergeant Howie. He's going to help us out tonight. And then we got Sakari Takaani, which stands for Sweet Wolf. She's going to help us, and they're both going to help us take apart the dirty, huh? And just FYI, if you look underneath the truck, that oil and stuff on the ground is not from the diesel, it's not from the Duramax. Watch out, Howie. It's from the Jeep.
That's all from the Jeep.
So.
Not from the Screamer.
No. Alright, guys, we got this big old 37-inch tall tire off. We got our jack for backup. We got our jack stand underneath here. The truck is set at 4 inches, but it's a 6-inch lift, so we had quite a ways to go. So I had to use a pressure-treated piece of wood to jack it up and get it all the way up there. But she's up there. She's nice and secure. Got the tire underneath here. So now we're going to take these body pins off in here and get to that up pipe. All right, see you soon. All right, guys, you can see we got the inner fender well moved off there. So now we got to take off the down pipe right here, and then we got to get to these bolts here for the up pipe. We suspect that this is the culprit, so before anything, we're going to go ahead and get some PB Blaster here, and we're going to soak these bolts right here a little bit. There's 3 of them, 2 of them right there, 1 in the back. And then you're not going to really be able to see it, but up there a little bit of ways, there's 3 more bolts that we're going to have to get to. So while those are soaking, we're going to go ahead and take out this down pipe. Alright, so to remove this down pipe, I'm using a 7/16 deep socket, and I'm going to remove this clamp here. So hopefully it's not on there too tight. And it definitely is. And you know what we're going to do? Put a little bit of PB Blaster on that sucker too. So, I'll just let that soak up in there. We'll give it a couple minutes and try it again. Alright guys, it's soaked a little bit. We're going to try it again. So once you get this clamp off, you're going to move to the top of the truck, and we're going to go from there. So, when you got a big old lifted truck, it's kind of nifty to have a ladder. So, got my big ass ladder to get on top of this big ass truck. I'm going to steal this from you. And the down pipe connects to the back of the turbo, so there's another clamp back there, which you're not going to be able to see because this is horrible recording. There it is, right back there. So you're going to remove that, and then you can get the down pipe off. So, oh, and that's another thing with lifted trucks. You know, you hit the garage with your head. So we're going to go ahead and remove that and carry on. All right, guys, so we're still having troubles getting some of these bolts off. Just trying to get off the bolt there for the down pipe, that little bracket there. Got the clamp off. A lot of these bolts are on there really good, so I would behoove you to really let this PB Blaster stuff set in. So we'll keep working on these bolts, and then we'll turn the camera back on when we have some of them out. Alright guys, we got the down pipe out. We got 2 bolts out here. And then we got the 3 up there still working on. So there's a down pipe there, wrapping some heat shielding, letting the bolts stick, drench up a little bit more with this PP blaster stuff, and then we should be ready to get this up pipe off. All right, update. Got the bolts out, and this is the culprit from our boost leak. That part of the gasket is just completely destroyed. It's no good. So what we have here is AC Delco, new bottom pipe gasket. So I did get up to the top up there, and it looked like someone was in here before us, someone that owned the truck before us, and the one of the bolts in the flange is broken off. So I don't see any carbon buildup around that, the top part of the up pipe. So I don't think it's the leak is up there. I think it was just down here. So that's going to be a big job to do the top one. I'm going to have to take off the turbo and tap and die that broken bolt off in there. So I'm going to leave that one for now. I'm going to do this bottom one, get that one replaced, get everything back together. And hopefully that's the case. And then I'm just going to take the truck to the local dealership or the local diesel shop and have them take off the turbo and do all that stuff. So, all right, we'll get this all put back together. And let's go save. Oh, twice good save. Twice good save. I dropped the phone twice. So we'll get this put back together. All right, guys, we're almost there. So I got the new gasket on in there. Tightened all the bolts up good. Got the up pipe back on there, tightened up at the turbo. Down here, got the down pipe tightened up at the turbo and tightened up down here. Just got to get one more bolt on, get this wheel tire back on, and then we'll start her up and see what's going on. Well, I think it worked.